With this clip, we are going to show how to select one group in particular to analyze it in LivLab Simulator. The first thing that we have to do, as always, is to set up a scenario. In this case, we have 30 participants, groups of 5, and today's our discussion. And we have switched on the gender diversity control or block, and we have an event with the majority of participants females. Let's run this event. We set it up, so we create the participants, we group them so that we have them sort of close to each other, and we hit go. The event is over, so 2 ticks to the discussion, so the event is over. We could then analyze the event, as we can see in other videos. We can analyze the groups and also the participants, but we would like to have this information, which is under the analysis of groups, for one group in particular. Recall that we have by default the information of group 0 and up to group 4. That is, and that information is given by default by the simulator. In here we have groups from 0 to 5. So there's only one group left out of what the simulator already gives us, which is group 5. In this case, is a group with a majority of boys and 2 girls. We want to check it out. So we in the control number 16, we key in 5, because that's the group that we want to analyze, to assess, and we need to also key a number of a participant. If we don't want to analyze a participant in detail yet, any number will do from lower than the number of participants. 20 is fine, and that is to prevent any miscalculation by the simulator. Then we, once we have those 2 selected, we hit individualization, and we can then scroll down once again, and then we have our the information for the group populated. We can see the 3 types similar histograms to the event, grouping the information, the opinions of the participants, of the members of this group, according to the 3 types of outcomes of that LivLab Simulator controls for. And we also have some information on the positive opinions, percentages of positive opinions of the participants of this group, which could be coincidental or not with what the opinions of the rest of participants have. For example, in this case, the opinions of the technical outcomes are very positive in this group, which are less positive for the pool of total participants. So this is a group that really values a lot the event, whereas other groups probably lower the average and the positive opinions about the event. Now, there's a final graph shown here, which is similar to those offered by default by the simulator in the analysis of pool groups. In here, we can see the information related to this group participants, this group members, by day or per day. So each three dots, triad of dots, relates to one member of this team, and this is an information again similar to what we describe in the information for the pool groups in these other graphs.